Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover saved game data on your PlayStation 4 account. And many times if you have PlayStation Plus, this is really easy because it will automatically upload it to the cloud. So all you have to do is go over the game, press options on it, and then you can go to upload and download saved data. Then if you go on over to the right where it says online storage, all we have to do is go to download all. Now I haven't played that game before, so let's go to one of these games I have played. So I've played Rayman Legends. Let's go to upload and then go on over to where it says download all. So you can see the last time this was saved, 6/26 of 2021, and I'm going to download the saved data to my PlayStation 4, or you can do this on your PlayStation 5. Then at any point in time you can upload from the system storage to online storage to get a more recent copy in case something happens and you need to download it in the future. Now you can also access this menu by going to settings and then going on down under this list until we get to applications, save data management. Then you can go to save data in system storage, manage the save data in system storage. So this will be everything that's on your PlayStation's hard drive. And we do have the option to copy it over to a USB storage device like a thumb drive. So let's go to upload to online storage and we can upload everything under here. So you can just choose the game and go to select multiple and you can upload all your data to the cloud. Then we can go to save data in online storage and this will be everything on the cloud and we can download this to our PlayStation. I have this check mark right here. It says automatically upload save data while the PlayStation 4 is turned on or in rest mode. Just check mark this and then you pretty much never have to worry about it. So I just have it selected here and then every single game is automatically selected for me. So I always have the most current version of the software even if I delete it. It's going to be remaining on the online storage. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.